Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This day is finally here. I'm so excited to share with you the big reveal video. But before we start, I want to remind you that this video is part of the Room of the Month challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul from Happily Thriving Heidi. So previously we had 3 videos leading up to this one. The first video was inspiration video, the second video was the progress, the third video was the sneak peek, and today we're going to show you how our makeover room turned out. So beside me and Heidi, there is 8 other ladies, wonderful creators that participated in this Room of the Month challenge. And I personally cannot wait to see how their rooms turned out because I know how talented they all are. I just wanted to mention that unfortunately Heidi Sonboul, who is a creator of this challenge, was unable to finish her video on time because where she lives, she had a lot of humidity lately and her floors did not dry in time for her to finish this video for today. But don't worry, her room will be ready for October 31st, so make sure to turn on notification for her channel and also set up a reminder, whatever you need to do, but you don't want to miss her big reveal because knowing her and knowing her previous videos, I know this video and this room will be nothing but amazing. And as always, there will be a link in the description box down below to the playlist where you can see all the videos in one place. Also, I will link all the participants' channels in the description box down below as well, so you can check them out. And now I cannot wait any longer. I'm so excited to show you my son's room. So let's get started.
Do you remember how this room looked like before? It was our old playroom. It was actually just a room where we put a bunch of toys and a bunch of things that we didn't know where to put. It was very plain, with no decor and no character. Here it is. This is the room I've been working on for the last month. I am very happy the way it turned out. It is exactly how I pictured it, maybe even better. Now let me walk you through the certain parts of the room and details that I added to the room. This picture over here has a very meaningful message and I got that at TJ Maxx for around $7. This is something that my son will be able to look at, read it, and be reminded that he can do a lot of big things in life. This station over here is filled up with some of his favorite toys and some of the things that he likes to display. And this lamp over here, I actually got it dirt cheap for only $2.50, and I thought it fits in his room perfectly. These 2 throw pillows I got at Dollar General. They were on a sale, buy one get one free for $4.50, so literally I got one for $2.25. This area over here is my son's desk area and homework area. We already had this desk. I repainted it. You saw it in my previous video. These pencil holders are from Dollar Tree and I just repainted them. And this quiz globe is something awesome that I got on a yard sale for only $1, and it's really cute and educational. This shelf you also saw in my last video from a sneak peek video. I made it for my son's trophies and my son's medals. You can see over here under the window his bookshelves, and just remember it, I'm gonna talk about it a little bit later. This decal I also showed in my last video. We ordered it from eBay for I believe $25. I'm gonna link everything that I can find in the description box down below. This is something that my son looks at from his bed. His bedding I got at dirt cheap for $8.50, and that was such a score. It is exactly what I pictured. It is exactly what I looked for as far as the style, as far as the colors. And it matches perfectly everything in his room. This pillow I got at some local store for $5 on a clearance. And then this bed was the best purchase definitely in this room. This is a trundle bed, so on the bottom there's another mattress that pulls out, and in the middle those are drawers for extra stuff. These pictures are pictures from my son's adventures and places he went that we just framed. He also has 2 trunks in his room that I redid a long time ago, and he keeps extra toys and his favorite things inside of them. So that way everything is tucked away and looks nice. And this is his baptism picture. I also added things like football light and a mini basketball hoop in his room because he is still a child and I wanted this room to reflect that. So if you noticed, his room is very long and narrow, so I kind of separated his room in 3 areas. There is sleeping and work area, there is entertainment area, and there's also reading, and on the other side play area. So this over here in the middle is entertainment area. One thing that I wanted to focus in this room is not to make it too cluttered with details and decor, because I wanted him to be able to clean his room and keep it tidy as easy as possible. And now let's bring in my son to see what he thinks of his room. Do you like your room?
Yes.
So what's your favorite part?
That.
That?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what's your second favorite?
The trophy mark.
This one? Okay. You think you're gonna fill it up with a
Yes.
bunch of trophies?
Yep.
Yes? Okay. So, you think you're gonna sleep in this bed nice?
Yep.
Okay. Do I get a thumbs up for this?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. Okay. Remember the bookshelf I told you to remember earlier? This is the shelf. My son had an amazing idea, and I'm so glad he mentioned that, and we did it. We moved it from under the window into the corner behind the door because that was an empty corner anyway, and now this is going to be his reading corner, and I think it fits perfectly. He also wanted to keep this corduroy beanbag to read on it, and also to have an extra sleep area if he has a couple of friends sleeping over. Overall, his room looks perfect. He is very happy, and I'm more than satisfied the way it turned out.
Oh, I really hope you all liked this room as much as I did, and especially as much as my son liked it. I hope you got motivated and that you saw that it's not that hard to transform one room and make it totally different on a not very big budget. I was so happy that I got a chance to participate in this challenge, and I really hope in the future I will be able to participate again. If you would like to participate in this challenge, you can contact Heidi on her email address that you can find on her channel and also on her Instagram, and you can reserve a spot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot to me. It gets my video out there. It helps it promote on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would really love to have you, so please consider subscribing. It is completely free, and also turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any of my future updates. I want to thank you so much for sticking out with me all these weeks leading up to this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you soon. Bye guys.